Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a quick and flavorful stir-fry with napa cabbage and oyster mushrooms. Just look at that, steaming hot, full of umami and perfect over a bowl of rice. It smells incredible, and trust me, this one is best enjoyed while it's hot. Let's get right into it. We will start with the mushrooms. Tear the oyster mushrooms into bite-sized pieces like this. Don't worry if they are a bit uneven. It actually gives them a better texture when cooked. If you can't find oyster mushrooms, feel free to use any mushroom you like. Next, grab the napa cabbage. Slice the leaves and stems separately. I like to cut the leafy parts into big chunks. And the stems on a slant helps them soak up flavor better. Here is the sliced pork. Slice up some carrot. Thin, even slices are perfect. Last bit of prep. Some chopped green onion, minced garlic, and a few dried chili peppers. Simple stuff, but makes a big difference. Alright, prep is done. I've listed all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description box below, so you can check there if you need them. Now let's start cooking. Bring some water to a boil and toss in the mushrooms and carrots. Adding about 2 teaspoons of salt. Once it comes back to a boil, scoop everything out and give it a gentle squeeze to get rid of excess water. Now heat a bit of oil in the wok. First, add the pork. Stir fry just until it changes the color. We are not overcooking it. Then toss in the chilies and the green onion and stir until you smell that amazing aroma. Time for the cabbage stems. These take longer to cook, so in they go first. Give them a good stir. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir it all together so the stems soak up their flavor. Once they've softened and picked up that color, in go the leafy parts. Stir fry until they wilt down. Now toss in our mushrooms and the carrots. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything thoroughly. Now add in the minced garlic and pour in about 150 milliliters of cornstarch slurry. Give it a good stir to thicken everything up and help that sauce coat all the ingredients. Last step, just before we plate, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar around the edge of the wok. Give it a quick toss. And finish with half a tablespoon of sesame oil. And we are done. Wow, smells incredible. Just look at that. Cabbage is so flavorful. Mushrooms nice and juicy. Let me try it for you. So fresh, so savory, perfect with rice. This dish is quick, easy, and totally satisfying. Great for weeknight dinner or even when you've got guests over. Give it a try at home. You will love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.